machine-readable cataloging, or MARC. In the 1960s, the Library of Congress created a MARC format as a way to share bibliographic data among libraries. The MARC communication format is used for encoding metadata and transmitting it from one computer to another computer. Information from a catalog card cannot be typed into a computer to produce automated catalog. In this process, libraries adopted MARC standards and making LC MARC or Library of Congress MARC database as a practical and useful product. Computer needs a means of interpreting the information found on a cataloging records. Due to use of different machines and different computer languages, computer needs a standard to make sure that data transmissions and exchange can be occurred in a library. MARC contains a guide to this data. Each bibliographic data will be presented with tag numbers. The MARC format comprises several components, which includes a leader, a directory, and assortments of content field, which includes control field, codes and number field, and variables of data. Example of MARC includes UniMarcs, which means Universal Marks, US Mark, Marks specifically for United States, UK Marks for United Kingdoms, and for Malaysia, we do have the MAL Mark. This is the MARC tag overview. The numbers and codes field and variable data field are made up of tags, indicators, and subfield codes, as I mentioned just now. Tags are the 3-digit numbers from 001 to 999. However, in this slide, it's display tags starting from 100 to 745. Each tag numbers designated the kinds of content that will be entered into the field. A convention is followed in which all fields beginning with the same first digits and identified as tag groups. For example, 100 represent the main entry field, 200 the title and edition field, 300 physical description field, 400 series field, 500 notes field, 600 subject field, 700 added entry field, 800 series added entry and holding data field, and 900 local data field. In this slide, if you refer to 110, they're still under main entry of names, but it's under corporate names. For 100, it will be personal name, and 110 under corporate names. Understanding a MARC record. This is the example of how tags, indicator, and subfield being used in MARC records. Field and subfield codes represented using a symbol. And for each record, they use punctuations to differentiate between one record to another. And this is the example of complete MARC communication format. that can only be understood by machines and computer languages. This slide extracted display from our library PITA library display for AACR on your left side and MARC records on the right side. Using the MARC standards and the MARC's communication format as in your right side, the display or the outcomes of the MARC format will be on ISBD format as display on your left side.